Siti Salimah and people call me Salimah. I'm a student at SMK Batu 17 and I'm from Kuala Zambu. Today, I want to share with you about nature, an amazing and incredible animal. First of all, I want to talk about wild animals. Elephants have the largest brain of all terrestrial animals, and they are most mature. They are very social animals, and they spend their life in pairs devoted to a best friend. Okay, now let's move on to the next sharing about smart crows. We always think that small animals with small brains are not smart, but we are wrong. Some crows make tools themselves for finding food. Crows drop the scrap for fish bait to attract and catch them. It was such a pretty smart thinking. Last but not least, dolphins with their ingenuity. Dolphins, also known as the rescue. They always rescue when something bad happens. Their ability to understand human language is amazing. In conclusion, animals also have intelligence that we didn't